guys, and welcome to another video
Welcome to another video of Sparkle Twist Toy Time. And what do we have today, Snow Kitten?
a Panda Bear Little Baby.
That's right, this is Hexbug, Little Nature Babies. And this is home to Sura, the polar bear, and this is her icy cavern. So this is such a cute little polar bear. And what does she have in there? She has some little friends, and it looks like her iceberg can light up. She even has a hidden slide. And this is part of Hexbug's Save the Animals edition. So they're raising awareness of endangered animals. But it looks like you can pet and make sounds and take them anywhere. So there's lots of noises. And they even have a little informational thing here on the side about polar bears.
Note on the back.
It shows all the other animals you can collect. What are some of these animals you can collect?
Panda bear, wolf, rhino, teddy, and panda bear.
Polar bear.
Polar bear.
And that's a snow leopard.
And that both of these ones.
Yeah. And this is just a picture of the whole little icy cavern. All right, you ready to open it up? All right, let's do it. Here we go. Oh my goodness. How cool is this?
Yeah.
Let's see. Does she just, oh, I don't want to break anything. Let's see if we can just snippety snap. Here we go. Oh no! All right, see, we got our little critter out, and Sura is talking. Oh my goodness, this thing does not want to come out. Oh, here's our little keychain and stuff. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Let's see. Now we're getting somewhere. Why do these things make them so complicated? Oh.
I'm trying to figure out where the stores are. Ah!
Well, hold on, honey. I'll help you here in just a second. Let's get her ice cavern out. Bless you. Oh, there we go. We have our cute little ice cavern. And let's get some little friends out here.
These were like. I'm trying to figure out how we do this.
All right, look, there's the seal.
Why does this thing want to do the deeper dive?
Hold on just one second, darling. All right, so here we go. We have our cute little ice cavern, and we have a fish that goes with probably a salmon, and then we have our adorable little seal. Super cute. And so here is our polar bear. Let's go ahead. Oh, she is on. So you're supposed to be able to touch them and pet them. All right, so let's see. Do we need to just, oh. There we go, hopefully that activates. Oh, I see it lighting up there.
And what do
It's
we
lighting up here.
What I need to have?
Oh, good catch, sweetie. Looks like there's some tape holding that.
And let's open it up.
Look at that. That's the secret slide. Here we go. Whee! Oh. Ah!
And what?
Yeah, they can play. The fishy could swim. What's that?
It's a hole.
There's a hole.
Yeah.
Catch a little fish out there.
No.
Swimming by.
No, it's bone. It's for this to put it down in it.
Oh, the seal hangs out in there?
Yeah. And
Wow.
now dumps on hell.
Nice. Very nice. Well, this is a cute little thing. Let's see if we can turn some of our lights off and see it better. You ready? Let's see. Oh, there we go. We can see it better. How cute is that? This is super adorable. And the polar bear is so cute and it's so soft.
And I did all this hidey with a polar bear. Just staying hide with a polar bear. I'm just making the polar bear hide.
All right. So the top of it here is the night light that turns it on and off. You have your secret slide, and then you can just attach this little piece right here into the top. Just turn and twist, and it becomes a super cute little keychain. You just pet the back, the head, or the stomach to make even more and different sounds. And this comes in the variety of different ones. So you can get a whole different series, and you can even use this as a cute little night light in your room. Snow Kitten, what do you think? You love it?
Yes.
Who's your favorite one? That out of this one?
I did.
All of them? Well, I super duper love this cute little seal. And I love this little slide. Whee! Alright. We are going to keep playing here. I hope you guys like this. You got to try one out. There are so many cute ones to collect. Alright, remember, like and subscribe. Comment below to let us know who you like the most. Art, art.
I'm rubbing it stormy.
Are ya? Alright, sparkle later. Like and subscribe.